If you've been following along, my 52 and 22 cooking challenge was designed to make me cook a different recipe each week from a different cookbook. And some of them have been very difficult, some things like the 3-day sous vide lobster dish, and some have been pretty easy, and this is one of the easier ones. It's from Emeril Lagasse's cookbook. I've owned it for quite a while. He kind of turned cooking shows into more of an interactive entertainment art form with his BAM and the spices and the audience there with feedback, and it was kind of cool and fun. And I wanted to pay homage to him. And as you see here, these are virtually all the ingredients. We have some onions, some pasta. I'm going to use bucatini, butter, cream, and garlic. So it's a pretty straightforward pasta dish. The difference is, as you see this spoon, this dish will have caviar. But even more importantly, it's called Oyster pasta, and it will use these raw oysters. This is a very big one. All of this becomes oyster pasta.